manqoolat.com पढ़िए दुनिया भर की खबरें और मालूमात दुनिया की मशहूर 3 ज़बानों में, उर्दू, इंग्लिश और जर्मन मैगजीन के साथ।
India's illegal and unilateral action to revoke the special autonomy of Jammu and Kashmir in August 2019 turned the region into the world's largest prison. 2 years ago, India carried out a military siege in a disputed territory and stripped the people of their remaining rights. Innocent people were martyred in fake military encounters, crackdown and search operations. Political leadership and youngsters were detained. Women were widowed. Children continue to be shot at and killed. State-sponsored terrorism in illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir continues, be it in the form of extrajudicial killings or a continued media blackout. Mass graves have been unearthed, which stand as evidence of the sheer brutality and indeed attempted genocide. I want to reiterate that Pakistan stands united and resolute with the Kashmiri people in their legitimate struggle for self-determination, which has been reaffirmed by the international community in numerous UN Security Council resolutions. Indian occupation and oppression have failed to weaken the resilient people of Kashmir and their righteous struggle for self-determination. The younger generation is taking the struggle forward with even greater resolve. Pakistan stands with the great people of Kashmir.
हमारे प्रोग्राम सोशल मीडिया पे मनकुलात के नाम से आप देख सकते हैं। यूट्यूब पे मनकुलात के प्रोग्राम को लाइक कीजिए और बावक्त बरखबर रहने के लिए हमारे चैनल्स को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन का बटन दबाना मत भूलिए।